Good morning, boys and girls. We are ready to review our letters that we have learned this week. So let's look at your paper. You have two letters we've worked on. We worked on the letter V. V makes the V sound for vegetable vest or violin. We've also worked on the letter Y. Y makes the Y sound for yodeling yawn or the color yellow. So on your paper today, we are reviewing them. That means we've learned them, we've worked on them this week, we've learned what they've looked like, we have learned the sound they make, and we have learned how to write them. Now we're going to review them and just go over and practice them. So everywhere you see a V, you're going to circle it with green. Everywhere you see the letter Y, you're going to circle it with purple. And when we've done this before, I've always told you I just usually pick one and start with that one. So I'm going to get my green crayon. I'm going to go through every single row and look for the letter V. I do not see any V's on the top row. And I'm going to go to the next row. I'm going from left to right, just like the way we read. There's a V. Every time I see one, I'm going to circle it. Oh, there's a lowercase one. All right, I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 V's. Now I'm going to get my purple crayon, and now I'm looking for the letter Y. I'm going to go back to the top and start over. Oh, there's a lowercase and an uppercase right beside each other. I just use my finger, touch and check each letter. I'm finding a lot of Y's. All right, I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Y's. All right, then we're going to come down to the bottom, and you're going to practice one row of uppercase V. So we start at the top, slant down, push back up to the top. Leave a space and write another one. Slant down, slant up. Keeping that point at the bottom of it. All right, then you have an uppercase Y. You start at the top, you slant to the middle, go back up, to slant to the middle, straight down. Slant to the dotted line, slant to the dotted line, straight down. Stands up tall on that bottom line. Slant to the dotted line, slant to the dotted line, straight down. All right, boys and girls, so this week we have learned the letter V. V makes the V sound. We've learned the letter Y. Y makes the Y sound. All right, when you are finished, make sure you have your name at the top, boys and girls.